Hey everybody, Aaron from Beansprout here. I have a really cool 5-string banjo to show you. Number 882. It's all cherry, or curly cherry, and pistachio. The curly cherry comes from the Carpenter Ant stash in Portland. This stuff was originally for clocks, cut for clocks. And the pistachio is on the rim cap here. Real multicolored, grafty pistachio. A little graft pistachio here. And then for the fretboard and head plate as well. The pistachio all comes from orchards in California. This is a 12-inch banjo rim, synthetic head, brass tone ring, armrest, non-steel strings, and a pickup added on. And it's been really fun to play. Yeah, and recently for my non-steel set, I've been using a slightly lighter string gauge. So I might make that change permanently with our string sets. Because I think sometimes a lighter gauge string actually means more sound. Been enjoying this set on this banjo for sure. So I like cherry. It actually isn't as heavy as maple, so it's not quite so bright sounding. But it's got a good growl to it and a really cool balanced tone. I think it's a really great wood for banjos. Yeah, feels great. So yeah, that's number 882. Ready for Daniel. Cheers.